Yo, my man, you got 5 seconds to back away from my groceries, you heard? Y'all playing with the wrong one. I know my rights, bro. 7th Amendment. Y'all can't follow me out to the car. I don't gotta show y'all receipt. I pay for everything. Hey, what type of shit you on, gang? After everything we been through? I really fed you, boy. You gonna do me like that? Hey, yo! Get off my car before I go over the beach. Oh, shit. Yo, why this straight dog got eyebrows? Matter of fact, why he got eyebrows and no expression? So tragic, I see the depression. Yo, I'm trying to get me one of these Jones. What I gotta do? The feds pull me over, I'll be like, ooga booga, yabba dabba doo.